So here's the first layer of my box. I've got battery compartment. I've got a battery 2-cell there. I've got the switch from SparkFun right here that I've mounted, and I've got the 4-way arcade switch here. So you can see the top. It's real simple. Just got the button right there. I've got the arcade switch, and then on the back here, what I've done is these are the mounting holes for the battery. And over here I've got that old telephone jack, and this is going to go to the infrared signal, since it's going to be placed a little more conveniently next to the box. So this is the bottom layer here, and next up we're going to put the circuit board from the remote control in. I've gone ahead and put this bolt right here and kind of shimmed it up with additional nuts. The remote's going to sit on this one primarily, and then I can solder all of my leads from all of the components onto the board and mount it here. So really important to get all this kind of squared away, get everything soldered on here first, because it's going to be a lot harder to get to this stuff once the circuit board is on, and all that circuit board stuff is very fine. Another cool thing about this particular arcade switch is that this bottom piece allows you to put it in a 4-way mode instead of an 8-way mode. This 8-way mode would allow, for instance, like left and top to be pressed at the same time. When you took this piece off and made it a 4-way mode, then it sort of has a little bit of feedback where you can actually press 2 at the same time, and that's going to be helpful, so that we don't press 2 at the same time, and the remote, since it never was designed to do that, doesn't ever get that signal. All of this is just Ethernet Cat5 type cable, and in this I used just some small gauge red and black just for the power. These I'm going to probably solder additional leads on. These are going to go to the infrared LED off of the remote.